In this video today, I'm going to explain to you the difference between agent and sub-agent and how you can navigate to see where the agents or sub-agents are in your dashboard. So this question is asked by Bax. Thank you so much for asking. He asks, hello, what's the difference between agent and sub-agent? And if there is, why can't I see sub-agent on my panel? Thank you so much. So the difference between agent and sub-agent is that agent is someone that refer sub-agent, okay? And everyone has to be referred to become an agent. You must use a specific link. But in a nutshell, like me now, there are sub-agents that are under my agency that use my referral link that are even earning higher than me. So as a sub-agent grow from level D to C to A till level S, the sub-agents that you refer can even become higher than you as an agent. So, but once when someone have referred a sub-agent, that does not make that agent to be superior over that sub-agent, because as far as Poppo is concerned, agent is an agent. The reason why it's called sub-agent is because you are the one that referred that person, but you don't have any control over that person. Once you have referred the person, you have referred the person, and there is percentage income that you'll be making from that person because you refer the person. But the moment the sub-agent that you refer or the agent that you refer become a level S agent, you will no longer earn from the person. I have done a detailed video about this, and because there is a new update, so people find it difficult to navigate. So as many people that are interested, I'm going to see in the comment section of this video, so that I will do a detailed more video on how you can navigate, because that video that I posted is a little bit old, like 2 years plus now, and there is a lot that has been happening. So how can you see the sub-agent under your agency? So the first thing, on the Poppo app, you are going to click on, if you go to your home page, you are going to click on agents. The moment you click on agents, you are going to click on this manage. When you click on manage, you are going to see invite agents, and that's where you are going to see the number of agents, sub-agents, or number of agents that you have referred from your dashboard. So if you want to see what it looks like to withdraw $1,000 from the money you make on live streaming just by referring people, I'm going to link the video in the description of this video and in the comment section. And if you are interested in detailed video on as an agent on Poppo, on how you can navigate the new update, let me know in the comment section of this video. And if you are new, you don't know what we are talking about, Poppo is a live streaming platform that we use to make money on the internet and play game and do a lot of things. I'm going to drop in the description of this video a link to a complete playlist of over 70 videos I've done about the app. If you want to become an agent, I'll also drop a link on how you can become, you register to become an agent. And hope to see you in my next video. Bye.